Yeah, joint, sir.
So, got the answer?
Yeah, I got option 4.
Yeah. So, it's a minus I cap. So, this minus I cap direction, and then plus J cap. So, I have to add these two. So, the result will be like this, which is northwest. Is that clear? Mic is off.
It's clear, sir. It's
Ah,
clear.
fix that mic problem. No, it's going off all.
Yeah, sir. Just a minute, sir. I'll be right back.
Yeah, yeah.
Back, sir.
Yeah. Which question?
Question number 7.
Yeah. So writing vector from north direction, take it as j cap, and west will be minus I cap, right? So velocity will be 8 j cap, and b will be 6 uh, 6 minus I cap. So subtract these two, we'll get the answer. Do it. The mic is off.
Yes, yes, I will, sir. Just, yeah,
Same as the previous one.
yeah. It is 10 kilometers per hour and tan of 4 by 3.
And direction.
Northeast. Northeast.
Check the answer.
The answer for seventh one is 1. That's right. Sir,
So are you getting it or not?
got the right answer, yes.
Okay. So check it again. It's not.
This one, seventh one is option 1, sir. I got 10 kilometers per hour. I got tan of they asked tan theta, and they asked theta value. Then tan theta is 8 by 6, which is 4 by 3. So tan inverse of 4 by 3. Then A with respect to B they're asking, so it's northeast.
Northeast means in the middle of north and east.
Yeah, average of north and east.
Sh- This is VA, and then B is towards west. So minus that thing will be like this. So it's minus VB. So I have to sum these two. So this and VA is 8. This is 6. So this angle is tan inverse 4 by 3, and that angle is north from east, or I can say north of east. Yeah. No, no. See, northeast in the angle is 45 degrees. It's in the middle of north and east. No, that is the meaning of
Yeah,
northeast.
northeast. Yes.
You chose option 3, right?
No, choose option one, sir.
Okay, fine. Then it's fine. Northeast means exactly in the middle. That will be
North
45.
of east. Yeah,
No, no. Option 3, I'm saying. Option 3, they have said northeast. No.
yeah,
The meaning of northeast is middle of north and east. That is 45 degrees with the east.
yeah. But
Okay.
it is
This
in 45 degrees east.
but this angle is different angle.
Yeah, that's why it's not northeast.
Okay. Next one. The mic is off.
Sir,
Which question?
the next eighth question.
Yeah, here you have here they are given VR and VM. You have to find VRM. So this phi, you just have to get the direction correctly. So falling vertically down, if you draw the vector diagram, you'll get the direction.
Southwards direction, vertically down.
Oh, J is just given the speed only.
Yeah,
Question number 8, 4 and 3. So hypotenuse is 5 kilometers per hour. Option 3. Mic is off.
sorry. Yes, sir.
Third is the correct option.
Correct option. Check out, sir. Just a minute.
It's a trivial question. Vertically downward is
Yeah, it
3,
is. It is.
4.
It is.
4
Yes,
and the
sir. Yes,
4.
sir. Option three.
So the two legs of the triangle are 4 and 3. So hypotenuse
Yeah,
is 5.
yeah.
Ninth question.
10.8 kilometers per hour they are given. Umbrella at an angle of 37 with the vertical.
That is the relative velocity direction.
It's 4. Sine of that value is 4 by 5. So 3 by
Yeah.
4.
Hmm.
No, no, tan of that is 3 by 4. Sine of it is 3 by 5.
Yeah. Draw a triangle and then get the answer.
Yeah, just a minute, sir. Center falls vertically downwards. Is it 4 meter per second, sir?
You check the options.
Yeah. Fourth option, 4 meter per second.
Yeah. You have to convert to meter per second, right? Fine.
Yeah.
Next, what? Which question?
10th one.
Okay. So we are what they are given is you have to find out what they are given. A person is walking 4 meters. So velocity of the man is 4. Okay. Raindrop is slantwise on his face. So this velocity is the second 4 they are given. What velocity is? Velocity of rain or something else?
Yeah. Approximately 4, 8. 8 meter per second, sir.
Check
10th
the
question,
answer.
8 meter per second. Yeah.
8 is it?
No, it's 4. It's 4 meter per second, sir.
Yeah, you have to get.
I forgot to add the sin theta value. Sin 30 value.
Yeah. Okay, you can
I
also
got
just
4.
it's a if it's an equilateral triangle,
Yeah.
then you have to get
Next question.
okay, there's no doubt in this, no?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So velocity of the wind is 5. Okay, towards south. So we can take it as minus j cap. Okay, cyclist it appears means relative velocity. So what they're given is 5, the second 5 is relative velocity. And this was a relative velocity direction from east. Okay, so okay, VWC. W is wind, C is the cyclist. So VWC is direction is I cap. Okay, so get the answer.
Yes, sir. This one, cyclist appears to be blowing from the east.
VW is
Yeah.
5 minus j cap.
There is an option 2. 5 root 2 meter per second towards northeast.
Check the answer.
Yeah, 2.
Okay, got it, no?
Yeah. Sir, I saw a little pattern in this, sir. Like
Little?
wherever yeah, wherever the initial object with they're asking with respect to that, then in the object's point of view, whatever direction the final distance is placed, that direction remains to be the final answer.
No, repeat it. I didn't get it.
So, like in the point of view of the object which is traveling forward, and it's just taking turn and going the east-west direction. The final point and the initial point, the distance between the vector elongated from the initial point to the final point represents the direction in which the object is moving. The
Yes.
object is observing. Yes.
Yeah, I see. One width is you fix a frame, your coordinate system, to the with respect to whatever you're going to measure. Suppose you're saying velocity of the rain with respect to the man. Okay, fix the frame attached to the man. Okay, because the man is moving with the velocity of 2 meters per second, the frame also will move with the same velocity with the man.
Yeah. Using
So,
this, we can find out the directions.
yeah, so with that origin, which is moving with the man, find the final position and the initial position and subtract those two, you'll get the displacement with respect to that
Yeah.
man or that
Yes,
frame.
sir. Yes, sir.
So all questions are similar. So this you want to try later or okay, finish it then. Question 12. Rain is falling vertically, so the velocity of the rain. A woman rides a bicycle from a second in the direction east to west. In which direction? Yes, it's a simple question. Velocity of the rain is 30. Velocity of the woman is 12. Okay, so what you have to find the relative velocity? So 30 minus 12 with the directions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so vertically, obviously, rain is vertically downwards. If we take the upper direction as j cap, this is 30 minus j cap. And if we take the east to west, so then it is minus I cap. Okay, so with that I can find the, and so, yeah, no, east to west. And east direction taken as I cap, north is plus j cap. So with that I can get this directions of 30 and 12. Get the answer. Got it?
Yeah. Just a minute.
Okay.
At the direction of 5 by 12 towards the east.
Check
5
off.
by 2. Tan inverse of 5 by 2 towards the east. 12th one is option 2.
Check the answer. Redo it. Velocity of rain.
It's moving from east to west. 30 meters per second they are given. From east to west direction.
Velocity of rain is 30 meters per second minus j cap.
A tan inverse of 2 by 5
Bicycle is going,
towards the west.
velocity of the cycle is 12 east to west. So minus I cap. direction is VRC. So it's minus 30 G cap plus 12 I cap. So 12 I cap minus 30 G cap. So it is this direction. And this angle is, this is 30, 12. So tan inverse 30 by 12, which is same as 6 5 7. Tan inverse 5
Sir,
by 2 south of. So with the vertical, the angle is 90 degrees. So that will be tan inverse 2 by 5. Because this side is 12 and this vertical side is 30. So this will be tan inverse 12 by this. So it will be tan inverse
2 by 5.
2 by 5 with the vertical towards east.
Towards the west, sir.
See, from this is the direction, no?
Yeah, it is.
This is the direction. Okay, so from the vertical, that is downwards, I would go towards east. Vertical means either a positive up or down. That does not matter. It's just the vertical. Okay, so from this vertical, I have to go in this direction. With this much angle. Got it?
Yeah.
Option 1. Okay, slight confusion is there because by vertical you might think the upward vertical, but it's both. This is the vertical direction. So even from this down side of the vertical thing, I have to go by an angle of this one, tan inverse 2 by 5. That's all, no?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So basically, you have to find out what they are given, whether they are given the relative velocity or the velocity of the one of them. Okay, so you have to find the other one. So VRM equal to VR minus VM. So out of the three, they would have given 2. You have to find the third one. You have to figure out what they are given. Whether they have the individual velocities or the relative velocity. And the directions you have to choose east, west, north, south, that you have to choose. For east, you can take it as I cap, and north, you can take it as J cap.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So that is the last topic, right?
Yes, sir.
Relative velocity 2 dimensions right envelope problem. Okay, emotionally playing constant. We usually deal with constant acceleration only. Constant acceleration means what?
Uh, accel- Acceleration that has equal velocity in equal intervals of time.
Okay, acceleration is a number, real number.
Yeah.
Okay, number means it will not change in time. It will not change the space. But constant does not change. But one more thing is, what can you say about the force acting on the body? Force acting on the body, is it constant or time variable?
So, what?
Acceleration is constant. That means it does not change in time. What can you say about the
Yeah.
force? Force is constant or not?
Constant. It is
Ah, by,
constant. Yes.
by Newton's second law. F equal to m into E, right?
Yeah.
M is fixed for a given body. So if
Yeah.
force is fixed, acceleration is constant means force should also be a constant. Okay. That's why I said force is same as acceleration except for a scaling factor which is mass. Direction of acceleration, to understand that we have to understand the direction of the force. That will be easier to get the direction of the acceleration because it's easy to understand direction of force. And direction of force is same as direction of acceleration because F equal to m into A and mass is a positive number. It is a constant. So direction of force is same as direction of acceleration by Newton's second law. What is Lami's theorem? Forgot?
Lami's theorem, we have
What is it?
there are
Three
the
forces
object
acting on a
covers,
body. Three
yeah,
forces acting on a
are,
body. So it will
are
be at equilibrium or rest. Equilibrium. If the sum of the three forces is zero, right?
yeah,
That means the three forces, if it draws a polygon or a triangle, it should form a closed figure.
okay,
If you have n forces, the net force is the sum of all the n forces. But if I draw that n forces and try to complete a parallelogram, if the parallelogram closes, then the net sum is zero. Correct? No?
yeah, yes, sir.
Polygon law. If you have n forces, it will form a I can draw the forces. First force, see in this direction, F1. F2, I have to make the tail and the head join. F2. Similarly, F3, so on. Okay. And if the nth minus 1 force is like this, sorry, nth force, then the sum of these
Yeah,
n
Shivakumar
forces,
sir, no.
this one. But suppose when I draw the last force, if it forms a closed polygon, then the sum of the force is zero. Suppose F1 is up to this one.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Then the sum is zero. So similarly, this thing for a polygon, I can also draw for a triangle. So if you have three forces, F1 and
Three
F2,
forces of F1 and F2.
say F2 like this, and F3, if it forms a closed triangle, then the net force is zero. So in a triangle, sine rule of a triangle.
Angle of a triangle. Opposite by hypotenuse is
No, no,
perpendicular.
sine rule. I think they are not taught. Sine rule. Yeah, you are not a max student. No. Uh, Sine rule says if you have a triangle, vertices A, B,
B and
C.
C.
This angle is A, right?
Yes,
This angle is B.
yes.
Similarly, this angle is C. And this side opposite A is called small a. And this is small b, is the side length. And this side length opposite the angle says C. So sine rule says A by sine A equal to B by
Cos A.
sine B equal to C by sine C.
Sine A.
Okay.
So
So
all three of them are perpendicular to one another. Sorry,
they're
equal
not
to one
perpendicular.
another.
They're not
Equal, equal.
perpendicular. No, they are not perpendicular. So if it is perpendicular, means one of the angle will be 90, no?
The ratio of A and sine of A is equivalent to ratio of B and sine of B and cos of sine of C.
What?
The ratio of A to sine of A and
Ah,
B to sine of B and C to sine of C is equal.
yeah, yeah. So if the angle is more, means the corresponding length will be more, the opposite length. Obviously, I can draw a triangle like this. Okay. This angle is the largest. So the side opposite this thing is also big. So the angle is more means the side which is facing that is also more. Okay. So if it forms a closed triangle, then this relation is valid. So this relation is actually Lami's theorem. Because this angle A, I can also give, if I put the direction, uh, the first, this is first force, right? So this is F1 and this is F2. Because F2 will have a side length of this one. This is F3. So if it If we move this F2 parallel like this again F2 and F3 parallel and make it like this. Okay, then this angle A will come here. So this is same as Lamis thing. You can check your book.
Yeah, yes, sir.
F1 by the angle opposite to that force, and F2 by the angle opposite to that force, and F3 by angle opposite to that force are same. Check your theory book. So basically, Lamis theorem is based on sine rule for triangle. Since the net force is 0, it should form a closed triangle. Once it forms a triangle, I know sine rule is valid. And Lamis theorem is nothing but sine rule. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
And this resolution of a vector, suppose I have a, what do you understand about vector in a plane? Let me take the xy plane. See, how to draw it properly. This is the line left to right. I call it as x-axis. Okay. And the vertical line, I call it as y-axis. So this plane of this paper or the computer screen, what that is xy plane.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you draw a line perpendicular to this plane, in figure I will denote like this only. Z-axis. Okay. So this plane is YZ plane. Okay. This plane of this paper or the screen is the XY plane. Okay. And this third plane, this one is which plane? ZX plane. Correct? No? So say you're facing a wall. That wall is XY plane. Okay. The floor is XZ plane. The left side wall is YZ plane. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you're sitting in a classroom, the board is placed here in the front of you. This is a whiteboard. Okay, so the plane, the wall in which the board is fixed, you can take it as XY plane. The one edge running towards right is X, and the edge which is running up is Z axis. So the wall which is on the left side, that is YZ wall. Okay, and the floor on which you're sitting, that is ZX plane. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So the wall which is on the right, that's also YZ plane, but that's a YZ plane at a value of x equal to something. This YZ plane can take it as value of the YZ plane at x equal to 0. So similarly, the plane which is parallel to the right wall, it's also YZ plane, but at x equal to some value. This value
Yes,
is
sir.
5 meters at x equal to 5. Okay, so the floor is ZX plane at y equal to 0, and the ceiling is YZ plane. The ceiling is YZ plane at y equal to, say, some realistically 10 feet. 10 feet is 1 meter is 3 feet. So approximately 3 meters. Height of a human being, say my height is 6 feet.
Okay.
Okay, normally I'm saying. So the height of the room where you are sitting will be 10 feet, but classroom there are it could be 10 or maybe 12 also, because classrooms will make it slightly bigger. Okay, and 3 feet is approximately 1 meter.
Yeah.
Approximately, because 1 feet is 30 centimeter, 3 feet is 90 centimeters. It's so 1 meter is more than 3 feet. So approximately I'm saying. So 12 feet is approximately 3 meters. Let's say put 3 meters. You
Okay,
should have
sir.
a idea of the size and numbers and those things. Okay. So that you can avoid mistakes. You can check mistakes. Like if you get some arbitrary number, you can figure out it's wrong. Some silly mistake will be there.
Yeah.
So what I want to say is, so your vector in this one particular plane, for example, this vector in xy plane. Okay, so this vector I can split it into two components. This angle is theta. So this angle, this vector is a. So a cos 30 is I component, and a sin 30 is j component. Okay, so I can have a vector in yz plane. But if I have a vector which is not in the plane, but it's in arbitrary direction, like this,
Yes, sir.
just a minute.
Yeah.
Like this, okay, which is not in yz plane, but is making some angle alpha with the x-axis. With the y-axis, it is making beta. Okay, and with the z-axis, it's making gamma.
Yes,
Then the
sir.
x component of this vector is a cos alpha, y component is a cos beta, not sine and all. Okay, and z component is z cos gamma.
Okay. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
this way we have to resolve vectors in 3D.
So this is vector representation in 3D.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Easy. It's easy.
Wait. This one. So this is a vector not in the plane of xy plane, or it's in arbitrary direction, but it's making an angle alpha with the x-axis, beta with the y-axis, and gamma with the z-axis. Okay, so in that case, the components are a cos alpha and y components
A
a
cos beta.
cos beta, not some
And Z
sign.
component is
Cos gamma.
and Z component cos gamma. Yeah.
See, if it is 2D means it will be just a cos alpha and then a sin alpha. Cos and sin will come. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
here
sir.
it's arbitrary direction, but it makes alpha with the x-axis, not in xy plane. It's in space. That's the difference here. Here it's making theta, but the theta is in this xy plane. So the components are a cos theta and a sin theta. But if it's in space, this is space angle. Here this angle is in a plane, xy plane. This angle is in space, not in plane. Mic is off. So
Yes, sir.
understand the difference. This angle is a space angle. This is a plane angle in xy plane. So here sine will come. Y component is sine, but here there is no sine. It's all causes. Okay, cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, the components. So there is
Yes,
one
sir.
important. This you should not make mistake. Vector resolution of vector. And the things are simple. Motion is a complete chapter, is it?
Yeah, motion is straight line.
Is there any difficulty in that? No.
Only a few topics.
Okay, meet will close in 1 minute. So next class is today is what? Next is
Yeah, tomorrow.
tomorrow we have a class.
Yeah.
What is the class you had on Monday?
I had some physical class,
Physical meaning what?
physical education that type, like boxing.
This is part of CBSE.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Like
So
every
simple.
Monday I have. So yeah, every Monday, Tuesday, and Friday I have.
I see.
Yeah.
So Monday you're occupied
Uh,
then.